suppose there is a girl. Okay, okay, there is a girl. Fine. Now, this girl has already a language in her mind, and that is, suppose this is Marathi language. Marathi language. Okay. And she is 30 years old, maybe 35 years old. So now think, since her childhood, she has been speaking this language, Marathi language. She has so much experience. Suppose when she was 2 years old or 3 years old, she started learning, and since then she has been speaking, and now suddenly she started learning English as well. So she goes to school, college, she learns English, sometimes she talks to her friend and all, and now she expects that English should be better than Marathi. Do you think it is possible? If you are not speaking every day, this is your Marathi and you want that English should go there? Impossible. Because every day you are talking just in Marathi or Punjabi or whatever your regional language is, you're not giving time to English, and you are joining so many batches thinking that one day or other my English will be better than my own regional language. It is not going to be better until you start giving more and more time to English, because your experience of Marathi is more than English. That's why I'm saying, try to speak, try to make partners, or like in your at your home, you are in the room, you are at your home. If there is a person in your family who knows English, please try to speak in English, just in order to hone and excel your English. That is required. If you are doing this, you will be absolutely good. There would be some people who can say that my family members don't speak, I don't have any friend circle. Then you have to start acting in the sense, you have to do fake storytelling. Suppose there is a boy and he doesn't have any partner, however he wants to speak in English and be fluent in English, he can do that. What he will have to do is, he will have to create a fake storytelling. Every day he has to start talking to himself. How talking to himself? Suppose he says, okay, yesterday I went to market, and just using this half sentence, yesterday I went to market, he can start creating lots of stories. He has to record the video, he has to listen to him. This much hard work it is, guys.
And I have one more question. Do you think mirror practice will help to increase
Earlier,
fluency,
mm,
or we do means storytelling basically means what now you have suggested?
yes,
Means you take any scenario and just go means any direction, any corner you just take.
I would say better than mirror practice. What happens in mirror practice? You have a mirror. Very first day you have great chutzpah to do that, and you start going and seeing yourself and start talking. After some time, what happens, like you start seeing your eyes, your teeth, means that is not going to help you out. It's better to have a stroll and keep talking to yourself. Suppose you have to tell a story. Mirror practice means you have to look at yourself and start presentation. Okay, if you are capable of doing this, you can. Otherwise, just go to the terrace or wherever you go, start strolling, keep speaking out those things. If you are creating a story, keep talking. That is going to work.
So means silently we can do a storytelling, or we can
Speak
speak
out. You
loudly.
have to speak out.
Loudly, na?
At least you have to speak out. Loudly means you don't have to shout at someone. Means you can say. Suppose I have to say, I have to speak. So if I have to tell a story about yesterday, whatever I did, and if I say inwardly, I went to market, I did this, it's not going to work out. You have
Got
to
it,
speak
got it,
out, like,
got it.
yeah, well, yesterday I got up around 7 o'clock in the morning. After that, I got fresh, and I was planning to go to park. All of a sudden, my phone started ringing. I picked up the call. It was my friend's call. See, look at the speed. This speed has to be there.
Right.
If you
Got
do
it,
this,
sir.
then fluency will be yours.
Yes, got it.
Fine, guys.
Really, it will help me.
Yeah,
Thanks for your info, suggestion.
fine. So, guys, today we have a debate. Topic has already been given. So, guys are ready, I believe. Everybody's ready?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you,
We are ready, but this topic is little bit complicated.
yeah, it is, but it is in trend. Kittu, are you there?
Yeah.
Kittu, are you
That
there?
is why
Yes,
Chandan sir
yes,
has
I'm
been given us.
Okay,
Yes,
fine. So,
yes, Chandan, I'm here.
Kittu knows very well in America. I have heard. I have never been to America, so I have heard like these people love living relationship there, and
So yesterday I was
They don't
practicing
get
this
married. I
topic.
have heard they don't get married, but they have babies. Yeah, Kitu?
Yeah, it's true.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's true.
That's why I'm going to like
So
I'm
Living is
again.
legal here, so yeah, they can
yes.
live together and they can start
No,
family.
now this trend is coming in India also. Means they are living
Yeah.
together
So
and
I'm
they have
saying,
a baby, and after that they will okay decide. Okay, I'll
yeah.
go
So
for
we have to
marriage.
start the debate. Pawan said, Pawan is there. Pawan, are you there? Pawan Rathi?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, sir, yes, sir, I'm here.
Pawan is in support. Kitu is in support. Namita is in support. And Rekha, she's in support. And Subbu, you are in support, yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
And Swaleha, she. Are you there, Swaleha? Okay. Pooja, are you there? Pooja?
Yes, I'm there.
So you are not supporting. Shaili is not supporting. Namita is not supporting. And if there is other
Yeah, I'm
person,
supporting, sir.
Namita is supporting. Okay, fine. So guys, only how come only two people can fight? It's tough. Only Pooja
Sir, you
and
divided us. You
No, we
divided
can
us in
divide.
a
No issue.
two.
because most of the people are going to support. So how will debate take place?
Yesterday was like there was 4 people and
Yeah.
4 supporter and 4 like they are not supporting like
So
this.
Pawan, you don't support Pawan, okay?
Okay, I'm not supporting at all.
Just totally go deadly against it. Fine,
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
fair enough. So let's get started,
I wanna-
everyone. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Can I start?
With one more guy is coming. Vicky, is it your first day, Vicky? Speak up. Turn on your audio, Vicky.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's Anushka, sir.
Is it your first day?
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay,
No,
whatever.
sir. I have attended last 2 days, sir.
Okay, fine. So you know about the debate topic today?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to support or oppose? Live in
Support,
relationship. Support. Okay. Okay, fine. So Kitu is going to start, and after that, whoever wants can refute her point. Got it? So,
Okay, sir.
Okay, here we go. Let's get
start.
started. Kitu.
No, I'm not the first one. Please pick other one.
Okay, can I start, sir?
Okay, you can start. Yeah.
Okay, sir. According to me, a live-in relationship is good for people for many reasons. Like in today's generation, people more focus on make their career, and so they don't want to get ready for marriage. So for success people, marriage after like 35 or 40 age. So before any kind of marriage, they want to live in relationship. So it generate trust and love between the partners. And when we stay with opposite gender, when we understand their life challenges and get opportunity to grow together.
So many things
Okay.
has been said. Yeah. Pawan.
Okay, so but I think this is not good in India because our mentality is completely different, and we can say that it's not related to our culture, and it even hurts to our culture. So the mentality of our country is that we, we should celebrate. It's like a occasion. Marriage is like a occasion in the country. So we usually celebrate this thing. We what we do, we gather and then we party, and after that person gets married. So it's about our culture, and we cannot destroy it. We cannot spoil it.
Okay, the point. Okay,
So-
he's just saying that it's our culture. We cannot destroy the culture. Anyone can
Hey,
refute.
Pawan, so I would not completely agree with your point. With which society you are talking about? This orthodox society? I must say, please come out with this social stigma circle. One more point I want to add here: whenever you face any financial issue or family issue, society will not come and help you. So why you are worried about society and the culture?
No. Actually, you are talking about few people. The earth is going on good just because of there are other people as well who always help to the others whoever needs. So it is not like
No.
that. You cannot
No,
count
but
to all
I don't
people
see.
in a
I
negative
don't
way.
see. I don't see. Means I'll take an example here. Whenever you face any issue or something, society will not come forward and support you. But whenever you achieve something and whenever you do out of box something, then definitely society will come forward and create a propaganda because they want attention and they create a some hawk here. So I'll give you another things here. Supreme Court has given a verdict where live-in relationship is illegal. So we cannot say it is a illegal or unlawful in India. As a civilized or educated citizen, we should abide and respect Supreme Court judgment and individual decision.
See, whatever you are giving me the example, but that is a human nature. If you will get something, if you will get any kind of achievement, so definitely I will appreciate you. It's not a part of the society, it's a part of the human nature, and you cannot change the human nature. First thing. And second thing is that live-in relationship is bad for the country because you can take the example of Hardik Pandya, and there are lots of people, there are lots of men who can ditch to the girls. There is no good commitment between the couple, and you know the mentality of the people. Some people can ditch to the girls, they can hurt, and it cause of suicide even.
Yes,
That's why we are-
Pawan is right here. I also want to add something that there is a biggest problem of living in a relationship is that there is a lack of commitment, as both individuals have kind of flexibility to move out anytime. So I would say it's not a kind of Amazon or Flipkart thing that you purchase and use it for 15 days, and if you feel that it's not working and you can exchange it. So marriage is
Pooja, but
something
this-
which needs commitment.
Pooja, but,
So-
but
And there
this
is
kind
one
of
thing
thing happens after marriage too. If you go and do marriage, the same thing happen,
First
right?
of all,
So
first
Yes,
of all,
but there is-
That time
but
our
there is
family
some
support us,
commitment.
na?
But there
That
is
time
some
our family
commitment.
support us.
Okay, now Kitu is trying to refute Pooja's point. That Kitu is saying that even after getting married, this thing can happen. Yeah, Kitu?
yes, sir.
Any
Can
rebuttal?
Can I say something, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you are
But, sir,
right. You are
I
right,
want to
Kitu.
say my
But
views.
our Indian culture is not allowed it because our Indian culture. I'm proud of my Indian culture. Whatever going on other countries.
What is
It's a
Indian
Western-
culture? Yeah.
So Jyoti,
What is
Jyoti,
Indian
again I'll
culture?
cut. Jyoti,
just
again
a
I'll cut your
moment.
point here.
Okay.
You're talking about
Just
the
a
culture.
moment.
Okay, okay.
Just a
Kitu
moment.
has a point. Kitu has a point. Kitu, go ahead. Yeah.
So we are talking about Indian culture, and Indian culture is not allowed to sleep with any boy before marriage. But this kind of thing is happening in India. People are couple, but they they do things like a husband and wife.
Yeah, in my opinion, people are couple. Okay, get married. But without getting married, you will live together.
It's like you are spoiling.
Because it's
It's
very
like you are
horrible for
spoiling
any
your
girl.
your.
There is no commitment
Yeah.
in marriage life. Lots of it's
And it is
in
like-
India feeling emotion. It's beautiful relation, but in living relationship it's very.
But
terrible.
after, the point is
In my
that the
opinion-
after marriage, there is not also anyone committed with each other, so they can come and they can they can divorce easily. Failure of marriage, like
It's
so many.
okay, fine. It
I want
depends
to
on
ask a question.
understanding.
Okay.
Kitu,
Naresh has
I
a
want
point.
to ask a question. So I want to ask a question. Why do people live in a relationship? Please let me know.
Because
Because
I want
they
to know
understand-
something about.
Yeah, right. So
Because they
Yeah.
understand better way.
Okay, they understand
Yeah.
each other.
If they
Right.
understand better way, then we
Wonderful.
can get married to each other.
yeah,
And
definitely.
Marriage is
You know,
Okay, who has a point? Shaili, do you have a
They-
point? You want to say something, Shaili?
Yes, yes, sir.
Shaili, go ahead. Go ahead.
So if they are they have commitment and they know each other, then why they
Yeah.
do get married?
Yeah, definitely. You are saying absolutely right. But like our main aim is to understand, to study a person's behavior, right? So there are other ways.
And we can also.
They
Yeah,
easily
and we can also
living in
do-
relationship is a good, but most of the guys are want to
Yeah.
marry to the girl who never live in relationship.
As
In
far
India
as
is not
ma-
so common.
Yeah. As
So
far
that
as
is,
This is
so
the
again,
point, guys. This is the
Naresh.
point. This is the point. Like what Shaili has said, that
right?
Shally, you said like
Shally-
most of the guys don't want to get married to those
Sir,
girls.
most of the guys don't want to marry the girls who in a relationship before the marriage.
Okay.
Right. But first of all, let me know that if they don't want to marry, so how, like, what kind of mentality they have, right?
No, it is easy to say, but most of the guys I say who in a relationship but want to marry that girl who is never in a relationship.
Oh my God.
So let me
this.
know what are the basic qualities that we find out before getting into a relationship.
Naresh, you are
It's the
supporting or
first
you are
thing.
opposing, Naresh?
I'm opposing, sir. I'm opposing.
So Shally is doing the same. Shally is with you.
Okay, so I am just.
Don't fight with each other. We are in same team.
Yeah, guys, the question what Shally has raised, she is saying that a guy and a girl, they are in a relationship, but this guy doesn't want to get married to the same girl. He wants to get married to someone else. Is this Shally?
Yeah, so I agree with you.
No. So Naresh, means Sally, again, I have a question. Means you are told this one based on the data, or this is your perception? Because see,
This one is
suppose you
my
can see
perception.
only one or
Even
two
I have
examples
seen
based
such
on that.
things in my life.
So one or two
No, there is a
examples
data as
cannot
well.
decide the
There is-
entire
I'm not
scenario,
going
right?
according to
Subodh,
data,
go ahead.
I'm going
Subodh,
to
you
the life
just go ahead.
experience.
Subodh, just finish
Yeah,
your
so
point.
one or two things you cannot decide the entire factor. So you have to come with some data. If you see the data, definitely means after 18 years we are entitled to vote and select our PM, CM also. The same thing means once we cross our 18, then definitely we have a privacy, we have a freedom to choose our partner. And definitely choosing a partner is very difficult. I'll take an example. Suppose
Okay,
you go
choosing
for
a
the
partner.
shopping.
What about the
Exactly.
gender?
No.
Will
So
they
I'll
get-
give you example. So I'll give you example. Suppose you go for the shopping, you can select. Means you want to purchase a shirt or pant. Definitely, you go for the different outlet and select one, and it will take means like a 2 or 3 hours to select one. Now, if you want to select your partner, definitely you have to judge your partner, and this is the same with girls and boys also. Live together, understand together, and after that, if both are in the same platform, then go ahead and do a marriage. Otherwise, you can separate now.
Yeah.
Actually, there is data available.
Okay, guys, one by one. So what? See. Does anyone want to refute his point? He said that
Sir,
you
I
live.
want
Okay,
to.
he said that you live together. Live together means if you talk about live in relationship, it means you live like a husband and wife. Is this?
Yes.
That is living
Yes.
relationship.
Yes.
So suppose a question arises here that girl and boy, they are living together just with a view to judging each other. Suppose they spent 2 years. It might take 2 years. Sometimes it happens. It might take 2 years. 2 years they live together,
Yes,
and after 2 years, boy or maybe girl came to know that no, this person is not good for me. So that girl left that boy, and now she is thinking that I should again try someone else. So how long she can go? Suppose we go to one shopping mall to another shopping mall to another shopping mall just because we are not happy with the dress what we are looking for. Similarly, do you think, Subhu, it is going to happen? She will keep changing the partner until she gets satisfied. It might take 5 years. It might take 3-4 partners she has to change. I am not saying. I mean, this question can be raised.
Yes, this
I
is
want
my
to tell
point.
you.
Yes.
I want to
But
tell
here
you-
is my point.
Hmm.
Actually, the marriage is costly affair, right? Requiring a lot of time and resources. And
That depends on the person.
on
If
the
someone
other
has
side,
Kind of
yeah,
commitment.
just a moment.
Kitu, go on.
On the other side, failure of the marriage is also requires similar ordeal, like to deal with divorce legally or otherwise, right? So it is good.
Yeah.
We just live in a live-in relationship, take a preview to your marriage to see if it's work or not.
Sir,
But
we are
it
living
is
in
not
India.
possible. If you have a
And
kid
there-
and you get separated, then what about that kids?
No, you're talking about after marriage or means before
because
marriage?
What
You have a
what
kid.
During the
Kittu,
living
no. The
relationship.
thing is that what Kittu said, if we talk about America, it is like allowed. You can have babies also, being in living relationship. Yeah, Kittu.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fine.
exactly.
Yeah. So Shaili is asking, as per that, like if you are living in a living relationship, you got a baby, and now you get separated, then what will happen? Who will look after that baby? Is
In
this
India,
Shaili?
it's not so common. Yes, sir.
But sir, actually, I
Because
want
a
to tell you that
child born during the living relationship,
Are
they
called-
face so many trauma.
And here in India,
In
the
the
child
India
is
not
called
common.
illegitimate
They-
child.
Social is not going to
Yeah.
accept them.
Yes.
sir, Sir, if right, our main aim is to to understand a person, right? So in India, there had been many marriages who are
which
they
are
are living nowadays happily, right? They are feeling joyous and blissful, right? Still, they had never been in a relationship, still, right? So they know very well how to understand a person's behavior. So what we should know what are the basic qualities
you can
that a
refute the point.
person should have, right? He should
But
be
but
if I want to seek out a person whom I am going to live with. So what are the qualities I'm gonna see? I'm gonna see that how protective he is, how honest he is, how true he is, or how determined he is, how disciplined he is, how cooperative he is, right? So these are the qualities that can be studied by other ways also, right? So living in a relationship is not the only way that can be followed to understand a people in a better way, right? It completely depends up to our mindset. Many people have been following it blindly, right? By just they are influenced by glamorous words, right? And this is what affecting their mind and behavior, right?
Yeah,
So they
Naris,
have
Naris, I'm cutting your point here. I mean, suppose I'll take an example for arranged marriage. So if you see the arranged marriage, this is basically a collaboration between two families, and the family has taken a decision. Okay, my boy or my girl will go and marry with this boy and girl. So if
right,
here, if you see the entire process, the girl and boy will not meet to each other. They won't exchange the thought process or something, and after marriage, it will create a problem. And once the problem will create, what will happen, but the both family or the
No, it's
society will
not like that. They have
keep
already have
pressure on
ample of
The
time
time
couple,
has been changed
keep
now.
pressure on
before
couple,
marriage.
please maintain
Sorry,
your
but
relationship.
you are
Subodh at
wrong.
least
I'm cutting your
speak
point.
his point. At least let him finish. Subodh, go ahead, finish it.
So after marriage, what will happen, they fight to each other, and they blaming to each other. Okay, I don't know about you, you don't know about me, you have a past or something, blah blah blah, something, your education, your family, everything. Now what will happen, they will go to family, and then family keep on putting a pressure. Okay, just maintain your relationship. This is a healthy relationship. Definitely it will
right, right.
impact,
So there
suppose
is
down the line
yeah,
after five
right,
years it will impact to their child.
right,
Okay,
So
fine.
right.
better option,
If you
before
want,
you
But the
want
time
to
has been
select
changed
your
now.
wife, and it would be definitely you live in a relationship, understand all those things, go and discuss with your family, and go ahead and do the marriage. What is the big deal
right?
here?
If you have problems with a person after marriage, that there is another options available there. You
Again,
can
you're talking
also
about option. So why you want to create an option after marriage? Before,
like
so
first
my
of all,
question is, before marriage you
so
have an
like
option, go for relationship. After that you can discuss with the family and go
there,
for the arranged
there
marriage.
have been many examples. There may
But the
have
time has been changed now, na? The time has
It's
been
not
changed
right
now.
way.
Now people can talk to
I
each
want
other.
to say something.
Couple can talk to
Okay,
each other,
Rekha
and
wants
they
to say
can
something.
understand.
Okay, Pawan, Rekha, you
Yeah,
want to say something? Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. Sir, I think this debate is going in wrong direction, because our topic was whether in the live-in relationship is good or bad. It is not. It was not live-in relationship versus marriage. Okay, so we are going in the wrong direction. In my opinion, live-in relationship is better because it is a way to check their compatibility. That means one can understand the real nature or the true nature of the another person only when he comes in contact with other person for a longer time, because people usually pretend in front of any other person to be good.
Yes,
Whenever they meet for an hour, or that means it is more related to the dating and not the marriage, because
But
when they date each other, then they usually try to be good in front of other person.
absolutely.
So and in that period, for an hour or 2 hour or 3 hour, they remain to be good. They try to be good in front of other person. So the true nature cannot be judged by the simply dating. When they go in relationship, sorry, live in relationship, then for a longer period, then someday or other the true nature comes out in front of other person. So,
Okay.
First of all, I
Okay.
would like to.
See the point here. Someday or other, the
yes,
true nature
because
comes out
yes, because a book cannot be judged by its cover
by its
only.
cover. Fair
By
enough.
its appearance, we cannot.
It means just go and read out the book again and again and change so many books as you want. Someday or other means what? Is there any limited time? How
No,
can you
it depends
decide?
on the it depends on the maturity level. Actually, it is not the question of any community or any. That means it should be it if we don't know the other's true nature, then it can spoil her or his life. It is the question of one's life. So it depends on the live-in relationship just don't start without knowing each other. Okay, so it will be started only when the two people know each other well. Then for getting to know actual behavior or the real true nature, they usually decide to be in live-in relationship.
Ranjana, what would
Ranjana,
happen?
so I have a
No,
question
her
with
name is
you.
Rekha. Please don't call her Ranjana. Her name is Rekha.
Okay,
Okay,
Rekha.
Rekha,
So
I have one
are
question,
you
like,
supporting
what's the
or
impact
opposing
on
this?
children?
Rekha is supporting. Now anyone has to refute what she
I,
has
I
said.
want to.
Yes, I have one question.
Yes, yes,
Rekha.
sir.
Pooja,
I want.
Like,
Pooja. Yeah.
yeah. So I have one question. You know that in a live-in relationship, what's the effect on child? Because there are so many cases in which we heard
No,
that
as I
children
said.
who born in live-in relationship are affected badly because they don't
Okay.
have right on his father if their parents will separate in future.
No, okay, as I said, it depends on the maturity level. Okay, so if the two people are mature, they will not bring this condition. That means
Let this
they must
condition
be,
occur.
yeah, they must be matured enough that it is not possible between the two immatured people. It will this decision can be taken only by the people who understand the problem of this.
It means somehow there is a question that if you are in living relationship, so you have to take care of this condition also, that
Yeah, of
child
course,
cannot
of
be
course.
born. But
Of course.
I think you are just talking just because you are in India. If you go to America, it is also allowed. You can bear the child also. So you are accepting only half of the living relationship. You are not accepting fully.
But in America, if the kid come out, so the boy have to pay each and everything for that boy, for their kid.
For the kid.
So
Yeah.
alumni. So same thing.
But
Again, I'll just
they are
again I'm
It is
repeating
not
my
for the
possible.
government.
Child
again
is
I'm
born and no.
again I'm repeating my word here. If you go through, the Supreme Court has given a verdict where Article 21 is clearly mentioned. If you are in a living relationship and if you are planning for means baby or something, then definitely you both are responsible for this thing. And if you are decided after some time, okay, we won't go together, and we means after some time you decide, okay, we'll go for separate or something, then definitely the both party will entitled to file a case against each other. So the responsibility goes to entire means both girls and boys. This is not a responsible only for boys and girls, because both are mutually agreed to do the planning for baby.
But the children have mistrust in their heart for always.
No, so
No, what I
exception is
want-
always there. Exception is always there. Suppose these are the scenario, definitely they will take a legal counsel, and we have a legal counsel in India. For that, we cannot stop our living relationship. For one or two incident, we cannot stop. So again, I'll take an example. Suppose you can drive a car. We have an accident every day. It doesn't mean we can stop driving a car.
Yes, that.
But there are
But-
rules also.
Okay,
But
so
they-
what
that will
about
bring
your
about
culture?
as a
What
civilized,
about
as
your
a civilized.
culture, Indian rituals? What about? What about your
What
thought?
culture? No. What culture you talking about? Means, see, again, I'll take an example. Why you
Our elders
why
not
you
allowed
finger out
it.
only for living relationship? Now
You are
If
not
you are going
your
and
parents.
living in relation, then you are going against your family most of the time. and family is not
According
supporting that.
me,
No, no, no. I don't
if
think so. I don't
anyone
think so.
known
This is a
very well
different debate. No, no, no. I don't think so.
our
We are going to
our
against our
partner,
family.
he can dating. He
No, no.
can dating our partner, knowing very well. So I think it's not the right way living in relationship, because you know very well, you getting married, you get dating
Mhm.
two
No,
to
no, no.
three
So
years.
now
There is
Jyoti,
honor
no, no, no,
killing
no.
going on in our country just because of live-in relationship. So there is
Living
a big
relationship,
disadvantage
Yeah,
of it.
Subbu,
living
if
relationship
you
very
talk
different.
about, if you, I would say, if you talk about the gospel truth, I'll tell you, when parents come to know just only one thing, that their daughter, especially I'll talk about daughter, that their daughter is dating a boy, like it comes as a big shock to them, you know. It is
Yes,
like
yes.
a daughter has brought a disgrace to the family, let alone living relationship. When parents come to know that my daughter or my son is living somewhere with another
They are
person,
not going to support that things.
so this is happening
No,
in
no,
India.
that yeah,
And
that's what I'm saying. Na, sir, this is an
Sir, it's
orthodox
human
society, and we
tendency,
have
sir.
a social
No.
stigma here. We have to
Sir,
come out for this one because I'm an educated person. If I do means MBA or I'm graduate, I'm a doctor or something. I have to take a decision for myself.
Okay.
I have a right to privacy. I take a decision and I convince to my family also. Because if I educated person, definitely I ask to my parents, okay, you just allow me some time. I choose my would-be partner because I'm living with this partner for whole life.
Mhm.
Because I'm doing lots of hard work to achieve this position. Definitely don't spoil my life. So you have to convince. Yes, again, still we have a orthodox and still social stigma. That's why these things happen. It's like a honor killing or something. But
Mhm.
yes, we have a legal process where we can go ahead. Now, if you see the government
But
of
if you
India,
don't get
if you're
along
talking
in a
about
live,
the constitution, after 18 years, you are entitled to take any decision. No one will stop you, even your parents
Here
also.
in India, Subbu, people think of their prestige, their respect. You know,
Yeah, that is the problem, sir. That is the
a
problem.
girl
What
comes
We
out.
prestige you are
live, we
talking
live
about?
for
we
our
live,
prestige, yes.
Yeah, a girl comes out suddenly and she said, "Excuse me, dad. You know, he's my boyfriend, and we have been living in living relationship for 2 months, 3 months. So I think there should not be any problem, dad." And you
No,
suddenly
but
think
see,
that parents are gonna allow, okay, beta, come on, go and live your life. It is gonna happen.
no,
Yeah,
now,
right, right.
see, if you're asking me for now, this is a current scenario. Of course, this is not allowed, but just think, Chandan sir, after 20 years or 30 years, definitely will accept these things. Because once you will accept, then definitely you will live with your son and daughter. Otherwise, what will happen? They immediately separate you because now you are interfere their privacy. So you have to give us some
Yeah,
privilege to their privacy.
here, just you can't even date someone. If a girl is going out with a guy, a girl says, "Mama, today it's my extra class, so I will come late." You know, she has to tell a lie. She can't even say that I'm going with my boyfriend. And you're thinking about live in relationship, she will just come out and confront everything.
That is, yeah, that is I'm talking of this point. This is a communication gap between parents and children. We have to in the same platform where we can discuss all those things to parents, not only for the living relationship. We have so many other issues where children will not talk directly to parents, basically father. They directly discuss with the mom and all those things, not only for the living relationship.
Okay, so you're talking
After
about some
that means
changes like
after
we
it.
should do this, we should
Yeah,
come
yeah, we
out
should,
of
we
that
should, we
orthodox
should
and
focus on those
conservative.
things.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
now we are living in a 21st century and definitely we have to change entire things, not only
Okay,
living
fine.
relationships.
So the only one point which has come out of this debate, like what Rekha said and other people are saying, that in order to know each other, in order to know that whether my partner is good or bad. So please talk about this point. Do you really think that you can come to know about each other and there should not be any particular certain time? How much time will it take to know about each other's real face?
But I would like to tell you one thing.
But sir,
I would like.
it happens. It
Okay.
happens in love marriage as well. Means if someone getting love marriage, so they can also spend their time with each other, and they can also take some time, and after that they can get married. So where is the need of a live-in relationship? There is no need, I think. And in the love marriage, parents also understand that our children wants to get married, and they know each other, so they will never deny. I mean, even it happens in most of family. But when you will go to your parents for the live-in relationship, then they directly will deny for it.
These people who don't want to go for arranged marriage, they want to go for living relationship, as Rekha said, they have only one fear. The fear is that we don't know what partner we are going to take. It's like a gamble. We can get anyone. This is
No,
this is the fear.
no, sir. No, sir. It is not about that live-in relationship. Live-in relationship means they want to enter into marriage only when they make sure that they can spend their whole life with each other. They will get married, obviously. It is not like that if they are in a relationship, then they will not marry. They will get married after knowing each other. Live-in relationship
And even the educated people, sir.
no, live-in relationship doesn't mean that they don't marry each other. That it is
I
not
mean,
sure that
what
in our
do you want,
country-
my question comes here, what do you want to know about your partner? Let me tell you, if you want your partner to be always put a smile on the face, it is impossible. Okay, it is not the human nature. Partner can get angry. You can see different behavior, various changes in the behavior you can see in your partner, and it has to happen as per the situation. So what are you looking for? You want that he should always be
Yeah,
happy with me, he should always
That's
be
what I want to
good
say.
to
That,
me.
sir, that's what I
Whether
want to
it
ask.
is living, whether it is love, or it may be arranged marriage, definitely as
Yeah.
per the situation people react. Let's talk about a child. A child cries, child becomes happy, everyone see in the family. So what you are looking for, what compatibility you are looking for in living relationship, which you are not going to get in arranged marriage? This is the question arises. And when will you come to know about the reality? After 5 years? 3 years have passed and still the people have those masks on their faces. What do you want to know?
Right. Still, that person is Govinda, verbally, verbally, and he knows how to handle those two wives.
Guys, I am not debating, I'm just putting the points.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so
Your
please.
point is really valid here.
Yeah.
Sir, in 2015, even High Court denies for it. In 2015, High Court denied that live-in relationship will not work in our country. And even the advocates and the so many educated people says that just go for the arranged marriage or love marriage, but live-in relationship is not possible in the country.
No.
because
Pawan,
our
Pawan,
country is
again,
not
I'm
established like
cutting
it.
your point. If you go through the 2019 verdict, Supreme Court is the elite body in entire judiciary system, and he has given a clear cut. You can go for and leave a relationship. Now you are talking about this judgment. This is a Haryana and Rajasthan judgment, which was earlier means 2018 and 17, which is not exist now. Now I'm coming to point for means what Chandan sir was put these things here.
On behalf
So
of
the first
the other team. Yeah.
So so see, for living relationship we require the three things: commitment, loyalty, and the financial issue. So what I feel in India, whenever we have a financial issue, when suppose I'll take an example. Just recently I have passed out from MBA, and I posted in a Bangalore or Delhi or somewhere. Now, and the same girl, means in the same college girl, is also pass out and live in a same place. Now we attract to each other, but we don't have a financial stability here. So what commitment we have? Okay, we can take a one rented house and we live together. Once we live together, definitely we have an affection, and after some time, definitely we commitment. We require a commitment, loyalty, and the financial stability. Once these three things are fulfilled, then definitely I'll go and do a marriage. So these are the three criteria here. If any criteria means loyalty, commitment, or financial stability, if you feel any one of these three will not happen, then definitely this relationship will not go means far away.
That's what parents.
So what do you think?
Wait,
What do you think? It not happens in arranged marriage? Do you want to say this thing that it is not happening in arranged marriage? It also
Arranged
happens.
marriage is
I
entirely
can take
different.
the
Arranged marriage
example
is
of my
entirely different
friend.
because here boys and girls fulfilling means family commitment basically. Suppose I'm passed
No,
out.
no,
and
yeah.
my father
How
called
can
me.
you say
Suppose
this
tomorrow
thing?
my father will call and say, "Oh, I have already selected one girl for you." I can't deny it, because if I deny, definitely I'm hitting my.
No. Father cannot select until he takes your consent. How can father suddenly select? It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen.
No. Consent means no. Again, consent means okay. If you want to marry or not, that is two words. Yes or no. If you say no, okay, we'll try next year. If you say yes, then definitely your father will go and commit to means like a girl's house or boy's house okay, my daughter or my son will come next year and will go for the means like engagement or
But this
marriage.
time has been
First,
changed now. What you are
confirm,
talking about?
first a photograph is given to you, biodata is given to you, then
Yeah.
conversation goes on, investigation goes on. I would say kind of investigation goes on. And
Yeah,
then
yes,
then
yes.
you see each other, you meet each other, time is given to you, like go and talk to each other, and even after talking you have full right to say no or yes. It happens in
But
arranged
even
marriage.
But
even
from
when
our
divorce
side,
is
even
also
we
get
check the
divorced.
certificates of the boys and girls that if you have done this kind of education, so just show us our your
Okay, okay, guys. So
certificate.
we don't have much
Even we
time.
ask
Much,
for
okay,
the
okay. Let it be. Fine. So, what conclusion is I don't know, but being in
There is a
India,
controversy.
So there is no conclusion because every coin has two sides.
yeah, being in India, I would say that it will take time. As Subodh said, that it might take 30 years also. So it will
Right.
take
Yeah.
so much time to be as frank as people are in America. Like after 16 or 18 years old, children become quite frank that okay, mama, I'm going. I can live anywhere. I'm going to leave home. There is no problem, no expectation. But here in India, still there is expectation. Still
Sir,
people.
most of the rela-
and
most
sir,
of the
we all are educated people here. But and if we talk about us, so even we will not allow to our children to live in with someone.
Here still,
Sir,
no
sir,
matter
most
how
of the
much
I
rich
got-
you are, either you talk about Ambani or whoever, no matter how much rich you are, here people think about their prestige, their status. They think about their
Opulence.
honor, pride. It happens in India,
Right.
when they
But-
get their
but
daughter
even when-
married off. When they get their daughter married off, they think, wow, we have done something, we have achieved something. They
But even
exaggerate the
when
thing.
divorce rates are increasing, sir.
Okay, we will talk
Because-
about this also. Yeah, fine.
No, it's a really
Yeah.
valid.
in a relationship, breaking up with a person is as easy, booking an Ola, Uber, booking an Uber, and like it's easy way out to break up with anyone, right? So
Yeah,
in
and some-
in marriage we are forced to live in a relationship.
Actually,
Like
what some
in
people
marriage,
have started, like girls and boys, they come from their villages or cities, they come to the big city. If they are going for engineering college or something, they come and they start living together, with a view to saving some money. They have different plannings. They live together, and when family members ask what is going on, they just tell a lie. They don't say the truth that we are living in living relationship. This is happening. These children are just cheating their parents, and I don't know parents whether they have
Yes,
idea or
yes.
not.
See, because
This
the
cheating is-
mentality of parents is different.
Hmm.
So the mentality should be changed first, actually.
So how to change the mentality?
Yeah, so that I said earlier also. So we have a communication
Actually,
gap
it's a
between
root
parents and
of our country, so it cannot be
See?
changed.
How
See, it should
see,
happen.
parents, I'm
Sometimes
giving
it
a
can be
situation.
changed.
See,
It can be changed. It may
ultimately,
take
Rekha,
years.
ultimately we are Indian. These things are in our blood, I would say. I'm just giving a situation.
Yes.
Parents, mom and dad, they are in the house. Around 11 o'clock, the daughter comes up, and she's sitting pillion on with a guy, okay, on a bike. The bike is stopped there. Girl comes out, she hugs, she kisses, and parents are standing in the balcony, and parents say, oh, good, daughter, come, ask him to come as well. Do you think it is going to happen? And other neighbors are also standing in the balcony. They're also enjoying. Wow, good. Blah. What a society it is.
Right,
It is
right,
not
right.
going to happen. If a father, if a mother here in this 21st century as well, if a mother or father just comes to know that my daughter is dating someone and this is happening in the society, a person comes, drops, and they hug and kiss, it is going to be a sheer drama, I would say. Drama will take place in the
Yeah,
house.
sir. And
Yet
because
alone
of
in
orange
living
The present
relationship.
situation. Yes.
This is India, it is
It is
happening.
true.
And no matter what education you have, you may be engineer, doctor, whoever you are, still that mentality, that middle class mentality of Indian will definitely come out, and you will start behaving in that way. You will start heckling your girl with so many questions that who was he? For how long has it been going on? So many questions will be raised by you. It is happening. And
just
then
because
people will say it is not America, it is India. People will say this.
That's what I'm saying.
But
We have to, no.
Chandan,
That's what I'm
can
saying,
be
sir.
right,
We have to,
Hello.
we have
Yeah.
to break this ice. We have
Okay,
to
let's
break
see.
this ice.
Let's see
We
who
have to break this ice.
will bell the cat. Let's see. Kitu, say something.
Yeah, this is good. Like if girl is kissing a boy, one day will come soon when girl will kiss girl, and boy will kiss boy.
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
it is
yes.
good. Parents will
Now
be
It is
happy to
happening.
see
It is
this.
also happening.
Yeah, this
So
it happens. It
It
happens.
happens. It happens. It is happening.
yeah, so the parents definitely be happy one day, because
Let's
if
see.
they see their daughter is kissing a boy, they'll be, oh, they
And
my
sir,
daughter is
there
straight or my boy is straight, right? So
Yeah.
And Kittu,
this
and Kittu,
this
they
kind
will
of thing
feel
you can
proud.
see here. Yeah,
They
exactly.
feel
We
proud.
feel proud when we see her. When I always ask my daughter, she is only 8 year old. Do you like boy or do you like girl? So she's like, no, I like boy. So I'm so happy. Oh gosh, at least she like a boy. So one day you will ask the same thing with your kids.
Now see, as you said that I am so happy. You are happy just because you think that the child is straight. If child is
Yeah.
not straight, then of course you will not be happy.
Yes,
It
yes,
means
yes.
it means your happiness will die down just because your expectation is not going to be fulfilled. Somehow or other you are not happy just because the child is not straight. This is what is going on when parents come to know about anything what they are not expecting, they become unhappy.
But anyhow, we have to accept. Like,
Anyhow
if-
we
if
have
it-
to
if
accept,
she-
but why we are not
Yeah.
expecting it or accepting it, I would say accept it, yeah, why we are not accepting it with that same pleasure? What is the problem? Because still we have the same mentality. Rekha said change the mentality. Rekha ji, it is a hard nut to crack, to change.
No,
I'm
I
telling
want-
you, I'm
I
telling
want
you,
to say-
for debate,
No, I want
in
to
order
say-
to, Rekha ji, in order to win the debate, people speak those things which can be liked by other people. But in reality, I have seen in this 21st century also, when I went to hospital and a person got a daughter child, and the man said, the person asked in Hindi, क्या हुआ? The person said, बेटी हुई. अच्छा अगले साल बेटा होगा. I have heard
Exactly,
this.
yeah, yeah.
I have heard this.
This is a really wrong.
21st century.
This is a really
right.
wrong.
And you're
That
talking
is
about
right.
changing the mentality, means like
Yeah.
I was shocked. Still this
No, no.
mentality
Yeah, but
is there.
it
But-
will take time. It will take time.
Yeah, it
but
will take
one day, definitely, it will happen. People
Yeah.
is performing intercaste marriage now.
Definitely.
But if
and
you
this
go
condition- this condition may have been existing before 30 years in America also. So they have changed already their mentality.
Yeah, they are developed and we are still developing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, it will take time. It
So
will
one
take
day
Many
it will change.
marriages, many marriages had been very successful in the past years, right? And when there was no Indian culture was influenced by Western culture, but still many people are assuming changes.
Still one more point. I
Try
have
to-
one more point. In America, I don't know. I have not been to America. Kittu must be knowing. Like, they are free to wear whatever the dress they wear. Yeah, Kittu, in America,
Yeah.
they are free to wear. Here, let me tell you, daughter is allowed to wear jeans. Parents are accepting. Daughters are wearing jeans. Okay, but bahu cannot wear jeans. You know,
That is a
when bahu comes,
bigger-
when
bigger-
daughter-in-law
Correct.
comes, she is not allowed to wear jeans. This is 21st century.
yes.
Where is the mentality? Who has changed the mentality? They are educated enough. I'm not saying that they are absolutely they are illiterate or what. They are educated enough. Bahu comes, but she can't wear that hot short, that one piece. Why?
Yes,
Because
yes, yes,
there is a society. What will society say? So come on,
No,
who will
but-
break the ice? Come on, break the ice.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
we
not the
can
case
make-
in case
No,
in
no, no. So
America.
what I feel, Chandan sir, what I feel, the biggest problem in our society, the communication gap between parents and children. This means parents should keep on discussing with the children about this means ongoing issue, basically living relationship, alcohol, and all those things. Means what are the content? Means if you go to OTT platform, we have so many nudity content is there. So we have to discuss with our challenge. These are the things is going in our society. What is your thing? So based on that, parents will set up an expectation with the children, and same thing, children will set up an expectation with the parents. And this way we can break the ice. But it will, yes, it takes time. It takes time, and definitely it will happen. Means I don't know about means like a near future, but definitely after 30 and 40 years, definitely it will happen in India. And
Yes,
probably we
people
say,
are
okay,
changing their
now we are
mind.
living in a relationship, and now I don't have any problem.
People are changing their mind because we can see there are some examples of live-in relationship in celebrities.
Yeah. So and
I
again,
can give
means
you
if
the
you're talking
Virat
about 30
Kohli and
years,
Anushka Sharma.
30 years ago, means if you're talking about 30 years ago, means we did not accept intercaste
Yeah,
marriage. Now
that's
we are
right.
accepting this
We have
already
intercaste
changed
marriage
this.
in India.
What
We are
I-
already
accepting.
changed
We are
Ma'am
lot.
said,
accepting.
Rekha said like we are like she gave the example of Bollywood actor and actress.
Yes.
I have so many things to say, but this video is being recorded, so I can't say.
Yeah.
But this is what I've said, and guys, this video has been recorded. Whatever I have spoken, I was just giving the points because I wanted more and more points, such types of points from Pawan side or some other people who were totally not going to accept this living relationship. So I helped them. So my debate, this debate was not between you and me. It was between
Yes.
the two teams, but I was just supporting. I would just say.
Yes.
Yeah. So with the help of you, sir, we have won this debate.
No, you cannot say one.
Whatever-
We can't say everyone has no. You
Whatever,
can't say that.
whatever we wanted to say, you have said all those things.
Yeah, I just wanted that debate means what? Ultimately, we have to learn English. Our motive is
Yes.
this. Debate means don't accept the point, just refute it. Until the person get puzzled, just start refuting. This is
Sir,
called power.
in India, people are very stubborn with their beliefs. So it's very hard to break up their beliefs.
Anyways, fine guys. So I don't know what kind of comments I'm going to get on YouTube. This video is going to be uploaded. Fine. Sometimes the comments come, change your mentality, you orthodox people, what you're talking about. It is not about that. It is about the fact. You are putting a face, a mask, sorry, you're putting another face, a mask on your face. You are showing that, yeah, we belong to we belong to high class people, this, that. But when the mask is off, you have the same mentality, you are living in the same society. Just in order to be, come in the good book, you are talking those things. That's why I wanted to show you the reality. I just exhibited the reality, what is going on these days.
Sometimes we can't understand
Yes,
the
it is
people.
the reality of present time.
Yeah, present time it is happening because I have seen. I always go here and there and I observe what is going on. That really we are developing or still we have the same mentality. Then I read a news in newspaper that honor killing is still going on. Then I think, where is our country? America? India? What we are talking about? If somebody is wearing jeans, there is problem. Girls are not able to take their smartphones. This is the problem. I'm talking about some particular states. I don't want to name them, but some states are there where honor killing is going on. You must have heard about this. Still, it is
So
happening these days.
those states are far behind than the other state. No?
So when I read this kind of news, I just get puzzled that what is going on. That's why I just showed you the reality which is going on still. But yeah, we have to change. The conclusion is that definitely it will change one day or other.
Yeah,
This
we
is the
have to.
conclusion.
We have to.
Yeah, it will happen. It might take some time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the conclusion. Yeah. Fine guys, so we don't have much time. It was a great debate. The guys can watch this video when it gets uploaded. Fine.
So any suggestions, sir? How was
It was good.
so
Whatever
good,
you
so,
felt you spoke, it means you are good at speaking. There is no problem. And even if I talk about errors, there was a sentence you said, they blaming each other. It should have been like they start blaming each other or they were blaming each other. So very, very minor mistakes, I would say,
Okay.
you
Yeah.
made. Everyone spoke whatever the person thought and wanted to speak. It is good.
Yes. Yes.
It proves that we need more and more speaking programs. So tomorrow we will do a program. I believe you must have watched it on YouTube. This is chain speaking program. Have you heard about this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We will do this. Let's see how we do. Chain speaking, like I'm just going to give you a demo what we will do tomorrow. Suppose I'm talking to Subbu. Subbu, okay?
Yeah.
I will tell you a story. Where I stop, you have to start. Okay?
Okay.
And where you stop, I have to start. Suppose I say, like yesterday I went to market and I was buying something. All of a sudden I saw my friend standing there. Then
Then I remembered I had given some money to my friend, so I just chased to my friend and said, "Oh, hi, how are you?" Then he was astonished initially. Then I asked, "Okay, please give me my money because I need some money at that point." But he was not agree for these things and he was denying for these things. Then I angry and I said, "Okay, I'll call to police."
you said that I'll call to police.
Yes.
Okay. When I said I'll call to police, for the time being, he was absolutely perplexed, and after that, he started putting some smile on his face and asked me to go along with him somewhere. He took me somewhere. I thought that he's going to return the money. When I went there, I saw that there were some obnoxious boys standing, and I had been totally surrounded by them. Then,
Yeah. So then after that, I realized, okay, he was become a means a gunda for this locality, and I did a mistake. So I just say, oh, bro, I'm just kidding with you. I don't want money. Please let me go. But he was denied entire things and said, okay, please now give me a 5,000 rupees, then I'll let you go.
Okay, that's fine. So this is, guys, what we are going to do tomorrow. I think the guys will enjoy. It's a chain speaking, and it is for fluency. It means you don't have time to think. On the spot, you have to create stories. So the guys are ready for this for tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll do it tomorrow, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. I'm going to end this class.
Okay.